What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. And as you see, got my BBS logo, my BBS banner just chilling right there on the desk. It actually kind of looked good right there. It kind of hide everything that's underneath the desk. I'm almost compelled to leave it there, but let me know what you guys think. We're going to do some garage work today. We're going to do some garage aesthetics, I guess you can call it. And I got like 3 boxes back there. I'm gonna go through those boxes, and then we're gonna do a little bit of magic in this room here, the man cave, my best part of the house. Now, so 1, 2, 3 boxes. First things first, we're gonna go through this box. I got them from my good friend. Matador Matty. Some of you guys may know him as, or Matthew, or if you know him as long as me, Jason. That's what I call him. But he sent me a couple care package, because that's what friends do, right? First off, he sent me those boxes. That's some lighting. That's like the honeycomb lighting for the garage. We're gonna go through that in just a second. But first, I want to go through the box with some apparel. So, he's located up in Cincinnati, Ohio. And what size we got here? We got a large. And we got another large. So he sent me a large. He sent me larges knowing damn well that I am a medium. But it's okay, because for this particular video, it's good that I got some apparel, because obviously you can see this shirt it got a bullet hole. It's on its last legs. This is actually an old brand that I used to have like 15 years ago. So it's a pretty old shirt. So, he located up in Cincinnati, and he actually runs Caffeine and Fuel. So if you guys are ever up in the Cincinnati area, Cincinnati, Ohio, definitely check out Caffeine and Fuel. It's actually a really legit car meetup that they have up there every weekend, every Saturday, and then like once a month or so you do like a special. I'll actually run a clip from the big meet that he did just a couple days ago, this past weekend. You guys saw that clip, Cincinnati and Fuel, go check them out. They're at the Element Eatery. And let's actually change shirts. I'm fresh now. All right, guys. Now that I got on a fresh tee, let's get busy. Let's do some work. Let's see what's in the rest of the stuff in the box, as a matter of fact, as well. So the care package does come with just a couple other things, whatever. He gets some pretty good discounts on some stuff that I needed just for the house. And I'm going to actually put some of these in the garage as USB outlets. So the good thing is, this is actually a GFI outlet, but on my other outlet over here, I'm going to put up one of these in the garage, so that way USB stuff could just plug right into the outlet and not need a cord. So that's very handy right there. The other little care package that he sent me is a Honeywell thermostat. So he knows that, I'm a real estate investor. So because I'm a real estate investor, I buy multiple houses a year. I do a lot of different renovations and stuff to those homes. So I always need thermostats. So thank you for that, Matt. All right. So that's that box. Now, get to the good stuff. This, he actually gave me work. I didn't want to do no work, but it's all right. This is supposed to make the turbo look good. It's going to let me see why I need to, do a detail probably on the turbo. This is those honeycomb type lights. So we're going to just jump right into it, and let's just start hooking these things up. All right, so we got 2 boxes here. I'm gonna actually assemble this on the floor to get a visual of how big it's gonna be, because it's a lot of pieces. So we got that box with a bunch. And then we got this box, got a bunch. You know, this stuff is like Legos. So let's get it out on the floor. Alright, let's see what we got. I do plan on actually hardwiring this into the lights that's here in my garage. So it runs off the switch. Assemble these however you want, whatever orientation. As you can see, I kind of got like a hexagon, or correct me if I'm wrong, octagon. I got something going on there. It looks like a circle. But anyway, I'm gonna fast forward, get this done on the floor, and then we see what it look like. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got 3 of the lights together. I'm not gonna put the other 2 together right here because I don't have anyone to help me put it up in the ceiling. I just actually want to get an idea of the dimensions. So it is going across 65" from side to side, and from that end to the center, it's about 48 inches. So you multiply that 48 inches times 2, we get 96. It's 96, right? Yeah, I know. But so now that I know it takes up exactly 6 of these boxes. It covers 6 of these squares on the floor. I gotta figure out how I want to mount it, because I kind of want it to be symmetrical. I don't want it to be like, you know, weird and off. It's raining outside. I gotta take turbo outside to finish this as well. So let me figure out where I want to put it on the ceiling. Put it up on the ceiling. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that I got the light down, it's really not that difficult to actually remove the lights. You just got to be really careful because those wires are live, so just be really careful on putting the electrical wire nut back on when you're not working. That way you don't accidentally touch it and boom, you fall off the ladder because you got electrocuted. But what I really want to do, I might not do it right this minute because I do want to kind of get the lights up. But what I'm going to do is I am going to actually fill the little holes that the light came out of. And also I want to cover for this box right here because that does not look good. And just fill the other little hole that the other light came out of. But yeah, for now we're just gonna get these lights up. I'm gonna do this side of the garage first, and then I'll move over to the porch side because that way I'll just kind of knock this out quick. Get on the other side. So let's get it up. Let's just get it up. All right, guys. So these kits come with like a hard wire. So it comes with a hard wire you can hardwire in, or it comes with a regular plug you can plug in. So I do have both options are available to me because my garage door opener, there is actually an outlet here, but that outlet there's not a switch on that outlet. But this does have a switch on this. So
this is basically, you know, just plug it in right now. It's wired in. These does not have a ground because they don't really draw anything. So this system actually does not come with a ground. Unfortunately, I am going to get a junction box to just clean all this up because you don't want all these exposed wires. That's ugly. But yeah, we just plug it in. And here we go. Yeah, this garage is, wow. These things look insane. Yeah, that looks bananas. Holy shit. And that's just one side. So you can see actually the big difference. So that's the old light that's in there. My garage was actually pretty well lit before. You can see the old one is over there in the corner. But now we have this like honeycomb design, and wow, that thing really illuminates the hell out of this room. So now that I got this side, I kind of wanted to make it as symmetrical as I can, given the fact that this is in the ceiling. So I was able to kind of just measure it all out. You can see it all comes down center. It's all centered. I have a big pet peeve about things just being symmetrical and in order. As far as the garage length goes, it's almost equal length from there to there, from this end to the wall, and then from this end to that wall there. It's almost equal length. I could not do anything further because this, like I said, the garage door opener is in the way. But that looks damn amazing. The room is bright as hell. So the only thing like I said, I am gonna run out to Home Depot, get junction box, just clean this up, make that look real professional, and make that look nice. But now I'm just gonna pull the Porsche out, pull that out, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one on that side of the garage. See what we get. What's up, guys? Just came back from Home Depot, and as you can see, these are ceiling cover plates. So this will clean up that big empty hole a lot nicer. All right, guys, so we're in the dark. You can probably see my pearly whites. I'm gonna turn these lights on for the first time. Oh man, that look crazy. The room just looked crazy. Like the difference is, I don't even know how to explain it. Maybe I could put like a comparison of how it was before and what it looks like now. But the comparison is just crazy. As a matter of fact, you can see what the old one, you can see like the yellowish that the old bulbs give off. And then these honeycombs got like, I think it's 6,500, the color is like 6,500, but it looks freaking amazing. And obviously with it glaring off the turbo, and the turbo is dirty right now too, but it's glaring off the turbo. Yeah, no, that definitely looks good. That definitely looks good. And you know, like I said, went to Home Depot, got these ceiling block off plates. So you get those ceiling block off plates, and I just got the wires ran behind it, so you don't have that big old orifice just in your ceiling. So that's good. The whole thing is centered. You can see it's centered. So, you know, we got that symmetry going on. Same thing on this side. It's centered perfectly because I like symmetry. I don't like when things look weird and just out of place. So I, you know, just take your time. Very easy to install. They kind of just click together like Legos, and you just send some screws up through each of the connection points. But very easy to wire up. I mean, 2 wires, it's really simple. You don't even have to run no electrical. But yeah, awesome. Thank you once again to my good friend, Matt. Listen,
You did it, right? You did it. It looks amazing. Once again, Element Eatery. You guys, if you're in Cincinnati, make sure you check them out. Go to the meets, big meets as you see, and yeah, let's just keep motoring, guys. Catch you guys on the next ones. Thank you for watching. Peace.